Noyes' notes on a Friday, 1 degree outside Weather Network meteorologist Danielle Noyes. You know the saying, it's not the heat, it's the humidity, right? Very sticky air in place again today. High temperatures up around 90. You combine those two things, the heat index is going to soar well into the 90s in many spots today. Some hit or miss storms too, isolated stronger cells possible. And this is a steamy stretch right on through the weekend. More thunder likely, particularly on Saturday. We do get a little bit of relief, turning less humid slightly on Monday. More on that in Insights. The heat risk map, the red shaded areas show a major risk. It's a larger scope than it was yesterday. More areas up around 90 with the oppressive humidity in place. It's going to feel like it's 96, 97, 98 degrees today across much of southern New Hampshire, eastern Massachusetts, down into southern New England, particularly along and south of Pike. A little bit of relief along the immediate south coast, where we're running in the mid to upper 80s today. Either side of about 82, 83 on Cape Cod today, lower 90s from the Lakes region, all the way down into southern New Hampshire. We'll be near 90, but maybe just shy of that at Hampton today, southern Maine as well, and then squarely into the 80s across the North Country. One of the hottest spots, maybe the Crown of Maine, where we're near 90, same for the Turnpike, but then cooler along the Maine coastline, relatively speaking, with highs in the lower to middle 80s. Now, in terms of storm risk, you notice what happens. We pop a few isolated storms by early afternoon. And then the rest of us, it's sun and building clouds. It's that hazy, hot, humid feel. Now, out of New York, there should be a cluster of storms that comes into southwestern New England during the afternoon into the evening, and another cluster that will come in a weakened form during the evening and the overnight. So bottom line, not everyone sees a storm, but there is so much moisture in the atmosphere that any storms that do develop will contain locally heavy rainfall, of course, lightning and gusty wind possible, or maybe a couple that linger into early Saturday morning before the sun breaks back out and another round of storms fires up. So it's an uncomfortable stretch here through the overnights as well. Muggy and uncomfortable for sleeping. Temperatures only drop back into the mid 70s in the warmest spots in southern New England. An active breeze along the south coast. Some low clouds and patchy fog fill in. 60s in the far north country.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this 1 Degree Outside video.
Get exclusive content, support the mission at membership.onedegreeoutside.com. And don't forget, free and 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. Search the #1 Degree Outside Weather.